Greetings. A clear mental image is very, very important if you want to be able to create your reality consciously. In other words, whatever you're going to visualize, whatever you would like to manifest in this three-dimensional world, it's very important that you have a clear mental image. That is shown to you in the Bible, where you're told that if you seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, that all these things will be added on to you. It is clarity of mind. It is you having a clear mental image. And having a clear mental image means that you know exactly what you want. And you're quite definite about what you want. And you know that imagination creates reality. You know that thoughts become things because you have been so observant and you have been so accepting, and you're operating by the law of acceptance because you truly believe in yourself. You love and you embrace yourself, and that is giving you the power to have that clear mental image. And so when you can see that thing vividly through your mind's eye, it will enable you to have that feeling. And that feeling will help you to create your reality consciously in this three-dimensional world. Yet, yes, it would take a time because there's a lot of gestation. So you have to understand the law of gestation. Everything has its time, everything has its season. Yet, what we refer as time, it's an illusion. But if you understand the process, if you understand the cycle, if you understand that everything works in cycle, then you will be able to live your life in faith, being loyal to the unseen, trusting the unseen. Why? Because you have a clear mental image of that which you desire. And it all starts first with you have a clear mental image of yourself. See, when you have a clear mental image of yourself, that knowledge of self will empower you to remain faithful. It will empower you to trust the process because you understand how everything is created in this world. That is why earlier I said it have to do with the kingdom of God, because the kingdom of God that is telling you in Matthew 6:33 that you must seek first is the kingdom of creativity. It is the kingdom where all things are possible to you. It is the kingdom where you realize that consciousness, which is like your awareness of being, is what creates reality. That is why you have to see it vividly and have a clear mental image of that which you desire. You understand that everything is mental. You understand all is mind. And that knowledge is going to strengthen you to have that clear mental image of any and everything that you will ever desire in this world. And that, as I said earlier, will give you the feeling. That feeling is a knowing. It feels natural to you. And it's definitely going to come to pass in your life. So with that being said, my brother and sisters, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you, if it really resonates with you and you have a subscribe already, I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. Also, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram and you'd like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And if you want to grab a hold of my work, all of the links are down below. And whatever you desire, whether is it you would like to get the Inner Sun Science and Technology to create your reality consciously course, I will want to be a part of my Patreon community, or you need to get my books, or you need to be coached, or you need a one-on-one, whatever you need, all of the links are down below. So I'll definitely encourage you, after you finish listening to this video, to check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, my brothers and my sisters, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.